Welcome to the QPU-DB. This is a database of existing QPUs, or quantum processing units, which are used in quantum computers, along with some of the data on the hardware specifications of each machine. So here's a couple of abbreviations that you might see on those pages. And this is generally for researchers, because they might be trying to search for if these quantum computers are freely accessible, like they're open access or a paid service here. So we just went ahead and clicked on one, and we can see that we can also search for other things with paid service availability or other things by Google. So let's search other things by Google. This one's also a paid service, so maybe we can go to another company. So we can also try searching here. Let's try searching for IBM Q, which is a specific type of IBM quantum computer. So there's a couple that pop up. We can see this is searching specifically by the title. We can also search Google, have these two pop up, which is awesome. Maybe let's try searching nothing. Oh, we strip spaces, so nothing happens. We can search Dad. Sadly, Dad is not a quantum computer. Really sad day here. And then we can just search for IBM again, just to see that this also works over multiple fields. If we search like something like research access, that still works. It's just we can't display it here because that's a lot of extra space that would take up the search page. So instead, this is still something that's popular. We can see if we click on these just go to the actual website services. So some of these are paid services that you can get like a subscription to or something. Other ones you have to have educational access to. So here's just a little bit of the page, and maybe we want to edit this one. So now if we're going to try to edit this, maybe let's just throw a bunch of A's here. Why not? We can change it to 2029. It hasn't happened yet, but we can do that. But then what happens if we discard it? Great. Nothing changes. So let's try editing one more time and changing a couple of things. And now maybe we've decided to submit it after we hit this button. We can still hit the X button or click this again and it goes away. It's totally fine. And if we hit submit, this really long year is now actually in the official page, which is at the ID 6. So great, we just had this, we ruined this perfectly good page. Now let's go to the ad. Let's try just submitting a blank page. Oh, everything's empty. Even if things are optional, we still have to have a default blank response, like NA. So we're just gonna throw a bunch of H's and try hitting enter, and a couple of fields don't like that because this is a year which requires a number, and this is the number of qubits, which makes sense, it's a number. Let's also throw some links in here, because why not? And this requires a dictionary, so it has to be formatted with these the curly brackets, so I'm just going to empty an empty dictionary. Now we can submit this, and a new entry is added. So we're going to visit the page here. This is at ID 11, and we can see this new page with all of the H's and a couple of numbers, and its glorious image here. These links still work, but I think the next thing is just to go back home. So we go back home, we can see the home page one more time, and now let's inspect an image for the last part. We can also see right here, there's alt text. So this is an image of this computer with its name. So I believe that's it. 42nd attempt has gone successful. Hopefully this is a website that you can totally see yourself using, and awesome. Have a great day.